Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. In today's class, we are going to learn about construction vehicles names. Number 1. Excavator. Number 2. Articulated hauler. Number 3. Asphalt paver. Number 4. Backhoe loader. Number 5. Boom lift. Number 6. Bulldozer. Number 7. Crane. Number 8. Cold planer. Number 9. Concrete mixer truck. Number 10. Double drum roller. Number 11. Dump truck dozer. Number 12. Feller buncher. Number 13. Forklift. Number 14. Forwarder. Number 15. Man lift. Number 16. Motor grader. Number 17. Scissor lift. Number 18. Skidder. Number 19. Skid steer loader. Number 20. Telehandler. Number 21. Trencher. Number 22. Compactor. Number 23. Street sweeper. Number 24. Tunnel boring machine. Number 25. Pneumatic roller. Number 26. Water truck. Number 27. Snowplow truck. Number 28. Vacuum excavator. Number 29. Dozer loader. Number 30. Crawler crane. Number 31. Rough terrain crane. Number 32. Telescopic handler. Number 33. Off-highway truck. Number 34. Cement mixer. Number 35. Road roller. Number 36. Grapple loader. Number 37. Pipe layer. Number 38. Material handler. Number 39. Cherry picker. Number 40. Tractor loader. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.